Well, Megan, we are going to see some more snow head through the Miami Valley. Right now, some snow coming down pretty good across most of the I-70 corridor. Temperatures, well, we saw our high temperatures earlier right after midnight. 18 degrees at 7 o'clock, at 14 at 9 o'clock, and 13 at 11 o'clock. By tomorrow morning, we do expect just a few flurries across the Miami Valley. Most of the accumulating snow will be gone, but it is going to be cold. Temperatures near 8, and we are going to stay in the teens with at least some sunshine. Now, we did see a little bit of sleet this morning, and we may see a few more pockets of sleet this evening too. And this is one of the reasons why we have a shallow warm layer. Some of that snow begins to melt, and then a shallow cold layer, and then it refreezes again, and that's where we see the sleet. Could ice up some of your car windshields earlier this morning, where we did have some of that freezing rain too, and all because of this rain snow line basically hovering right over the central portions of the Miami Valley. That rain snow line will begin to sink southward later tonight, and all the precipitation will eventually turn over to all snow. And that's what we're seeing across most of the Miami Valley tonight. As you can see here, Butler County seeing some snow falling there. Also right around Montgomery County as well, seeing a chance for some of those heavier pockets of snowfall. But we'll give you the wider view and show you again, we have this storm system still packing a pretty good punch off to the west. That is going to continue to push through later tonight, and again may see some heavier bursts of snowfall. Right now at Dayton International Airport, we are seeing some snow falling. It is 18 degrees there with winds out of the north-northeast at 10 miles an hour. And with more on the forecast, let's go to Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis.
That's right, Tara. The forecast for you here, and we want to let you know we're going to be looking at some frigid temperatures on top of all this snow that we are seeing now. Let's go ahead and check out some of those additional temperatures around the Miami Valley as we speak. There's your wind chill forecast, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. But first off, we want to show you the actual air temperatures now. 14 degrees up in Salina, and we're looking at 12 degrees in Bellefontaine. So here's some of that frigid Arctic air, and even though we're in the upper teens now, that cold air is going to continue to flow southward. Wind chill numbers tonight will drop down to about 10 to 15 degrees below zero over much of the region, and because of that, we do have that wind chill advisory in effect for later tonight from 1 in the morning until 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Your future track snowfall forecast through this evening. Watch the snow. That's the blue area. You can see a little secondary wave there swinging through, but once we get to 1 o'clock in the morning, it looks like most of the snow is going to start to pass off to our south and southeast and move away from us, and then we'll start to see a bit of an improving weather pattern for the daytime hours tomorrow. We should be getting back to mostly sunny skies for later on in the day. As that sunshine comes back, looks like some cold temperatures lingering across the Miami Valley. Total snowfall will be about 4 to 6 inches, mainly on either side of that I-70 corridor. Lighter amounts to the north where you won't see as much tonight. A little sleet mixing in down south may cut some of those totals too. Another 2 to 4 inches this evening, and that'll bring that total up to 4 to 6. And we'll find our overnight low late tonight dropping down to 8 degrees. Tomorrow, flurries end early in the day, then becoming mostly sunny with a high of 18, 8 degrees at 8 o'clock, 12 degrees as we head towards 10 a.m. And watch for some of those icy conditions. Your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast, morning low around 0 on Tuesday with a high of 25, up to 30 on Wednesday. So a slow moderating trend, at least the weather